Bonjour, I have no idea, no sense of time right now. I traveled from Korea to France. It's been like the fourth day I've been here. And I'm here for the launch of the Caudalie eye cream. And I'm like, did they pack our schedule to make sure we got dark circles to test this eye cream? Because I'm going to show you how to exactly apply it. So I like to dot it all around the eye area, and then you just want to make sure you hold it right here so that you're not really tugging your eye area. The most important thing is not to tug this area. Okay, so now I'm going to drain and increase the blood circulation. You want to go inwards like this too, and that really helps with lymphatic drainage around the eye area. This massage looks a lot more gentle than it looks. You just want to glide, 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 and then you want to also do some gentle acupressure. Gentle, slide it out like scissors. Gentle, gentle, glide out, apply it all over the eye, then move it up to get that lifted eye motion.